if I told you I was in the best supercar of all time? You probably think Ferrari, maybe you think McLaren. Well, no, it's an off-roading Lamborghini. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, the most usable, most exciting supercar I've ever driven, and I've driven a lot. As you can tell from the ridiculously big smile on my face, just had the most exciting, most thrilling drive in this car. Honestly, I said to cameraman Nathan, when I do this video today, just make it handheld. I just want to show how much of a vibe this car is. 610 horsepower is way too much for a car with off-road tires. It's just ridiculous. You know what it is? You don't even need all the power, but it's nice that it's there because you just power out of any mistake you made. It's incredible. I didn't boss him out once. I went over potholes, no issues. It sounded amazing. The terrain doesn't upset it. I could drive it here without any problems. Imagine trying to take a regular Huracan up here. You'll struggle. But this car is it's just perfect. Getting a bit emotional now. We're getting Oh my God. Wow, everything about this car is so focused on just making you smile. My ears popped because we went so high. So the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, as I cool it down, is Lamborghini's attempt at making an interesting off-road version of their famous Huracan sports car. On sale since 2014, I believe. The Huracan has seen many iterations, but the Huracan Sterrato is my favorite. Not just because it's a laugh, but also because when you want to relax, it can be relaxed and it's comfortable. Look at it, like it's just gliding over bumps. It's a very bumpy road we're on. I'm having no issues, no problems. But then when I want to, you know, do Lamborghini stuff, it can do the Lamborghini stuff. Now, the looks aren't appealing to everyone. It is quite out there. You get additional reinforced fenders, you get reinforcing underneath the car, along the sides, and you have this roof scoop, making it the only Huracan with an active roof scoop that is an intake. You may be thinking the STO has a roof scoop, but that just provides air to the engine bay, not intake. Anyway, the usual intakes on the car are sealed off to stop dirt and dust getting there and clogging up the engine. The car rides slightly higher than the regular Huracan. So imagine a Huracan, but with the lift on all four wheels. It just means that the car can tackle aggressive terrain, such as the one that we have below us. And it also means that you can get that comfortable ride. The magnetic dampers in this car go from soft, medium, and hard. I like driving it in soft mode. However, there's no customizable mode because I would want the soft suspension, the aggressive engine map, and then the medium gearbox, but it doesn't let you change it for some reason. If I open up the door, I went for an Action Man spec interior, so it's green on orange. I'm not sure if you're old enough to remember Action Man, but it was a big thing when I was a kid. This is, in fact, the most drivable, the most usable, the most comfortable, the most exciting, the most ridiculous supercar money can buy. And it's on off-road tires, which doesn't make sense. Is it a supercar or is it a rally car? I think it's a rally car. This car's flipping sick. Wow! I've never been in a car that makes me just want to do stupid stuff as much as this car. Oh, I love this car. Wow! This is literally a love letter to the Huracan Sterrato. Oh, the G-force. Oh my goodness, what a machine! What a machine! Oh man, I can't sell this car, you know. Look how bouncy it is. Just look at that, look at that. Why is that so, this car is amazing. I love this car. I guess now that I've calmed down, what I want people to do is just test drive this car, because you honestly don't know what you're missing out on. It's such a wonderful experience. And also, with the way the world is right now, the way politics are going on, the way war seems to be looming.
Speed camera ahead.
And the way speed cameras are everywhere. If doomsday is around the corner, you want one of these, because no one's catching you on any terrain. Anyway, that's it for another fun episode of Tommy driving very fast and talking at the same time.
Speed check.
And try not to get speed tickets, but thank you. Like and subscribe, please. I think I'm almost at 100K. I'm like at 70. So it'd be nice to get to like 100. That'd be great. I want the little pack thing. Then I'll cut it up and send each of you a little piece of it. No, I'm not gonna do that. But it'll be cool.